For our first waffle dish, we're making dinner. To begin, we need to prepare our waffle mix. Combine 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 5 ounces of water, and 1 egg. Whisk them together before adding 1 cup of golden malted waffle mix. Combine these ingredients until the batter is smooth. Now, pour your mixture inside the iron and close. Once the timer sounds, flip the iron back over and your waffle is ready. Did you ever think to use waffles for dinner? Add barbecue pulled pork and garnish with onions for the most delicious meal. Next, we're going to make breakfast, but with a twist. This time, before adding your waffle mix to the iron, grab your favorite shredded potatoes and layer them on top. Close the iron, flip, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Once you've lightly browned the potatoes, it's time for the waffle mix. Layer the mix on top of the potatoes, close the iron, and flip 180 degrees to cook for 2 more minutes. Add a mini omelet and top with cheese and onion. What do you think about this one? For the final dish, we're going to put a sweet spin on a classic waffle. Add the mixture to a hot iron and cook for 2 minutes until golden brown. Now add cherry pie filling and top with whipped cream for the most delicious treat.